ito na. May utos na ang Supreme Court. O, basahin natin ha. Maganda to. The Supreme Court in Bank during its session today, August 5, 2025, acted of the following. GR number, Sara G. Duterte, House of Representatives et al. And GR number, Attorney Telito Torion et al. House of Representatives. Today, August 5, 2025, the House of Representatives filed a motion for reconsideration the EC required petition by Vice President Sara Duterte and Attorney Telito Torion et al. To comment on the motion within non-extendable period of 10 days from notice. The AC also noted the motion of reconsideration filed by Representative Percival B. Sindanya et al. Pending the AC's action on their motion for intervention. To recall, on July 25, 2025, the AC granted the petition to dismiss the fourth impeachment complaint against Vice President Duterte and 1302 decision with the Justice present voting anonymously. And Associate Justice Alfredo Benjamin is Kagawa inhabiting and Associate Justice Maria Pilomena D. Singh on leave. The AC and Bank ruled that the impeachment complaint was void for violating the 1-year ban and due process requirements. This decision is immediately executory. Okay. Ferdinand Topacio, Lorenzo Gadon, Mark Christopher Tolentino, and Rosales Sulpicio, Richard Hedernan, and Percival B. Sindanya. The EC ordered Secretary Lorenzo G. Gadon, Representative Sindanya, and Richard Hedernan to comment within a non-extendable period of 10 days from notice on the petition for indirect contempt against them. The petition were filed in relation to the remarks against the EC decision dismissing the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayan kasi, magmamagaling kasi kayo. O, ayan, o. Sagutin nyo na in 10 days. Good luck!
Kaigit na.